Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. So all you have to do is to log into your Roblox and then go to your settings. Now under settings, you have to scroll down and look for privacy. So privacy is under security. And then here, what you want to do first is to simply make sure that account restrictions are disabled. So you have to turn this one off. Now, under communication, you have to set this to default. You can message me, friends. You can text chat with me in app, friends. And here you have to set this to everyone. Okay. And then for other settings, you have to also set this to friends, and everyone. Okay. So let's review again. Set this to default. And don't worry, it will be saved automatically. Now tap the secure icon again. And this time you have to click help. Now, under help, you just have to simply scroll down and then look for contact us. So tap this contact us here and then look for support form. So click this and it will take you directly to another page. Now, if you can't find help or if you can't find support form, then you can just go directly to roblox.com/support and it's the same page here. So for contact form, you have to type your username, but actually this one is optional. Your first name and then your email address here and then confirm email address. Now, once you're done with this, then you can go directly to issue details. Now, please select the device that you're having problem on. So for me, it's busy. And then type of help category. Then you have to look for technical support. Maybe some of you choose this one, but you shouldn't choose this one. Okay, rather select this technical support right here. And then for subcategory, you have to select this specific experience issue. And then for description of issue, what you want to do is simply enter or type a message, a specific message that you want to enable your voice chat. So this is just an example. You can copy this one or you can create your own message. Once done, tap submit and wait for the customer service team to respond or help you with this issue. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.